Okay, today we're here at the Ventura County Fair. Randy got this thing from the original Bratwurst Booth, which is also related to the booth next to it, Old Time Cinnamon Rolls. So it's a, let me show you the bun. It's waffle fries, although it's fries made in a waffle iron with cheese. And that's the bun. So this is a hamburger. And there's a, let me see, tomatoes falling out. There's tomato, pickle, lettuce, onions, and it's a cheeseburger. There's the, you can see the fries at the bottom. Okay. Fries are actually good. They're cheesy, crunchy. Burger's good too. Yeah, this is actually good. The messy because the fries don't squish either, so it's big. Yeah, this is really good. I think I might give this one a A+. So anyway, so I'm gonna take a bite and I'll see you in the next one.